Is no stranger to looking and feeling her best and helping so many people from so many different walks and even your favorite celebrities feel at their peak fitness. Fitness and yoga trainer Desi Bartlett, thanks for being with us today.
Oh, thank you so much for having me, and aloha from Hawaii.
All right, you are very passionate about movement. Walk me through, literally walk me through what you mean when you say that.
So this is my entire life. I wake up every morning wanting to share my voice and teach people how they can feel great in their own bodies. I believe that we all deserve to feel great from the inside out, and I know that movement is medicine. I'm really excited because after many years, I've gone back to school and I'm getting my PhD in kinesiology. And I honestly, Sierra, wake up every single morning just thinking, how can I help people feel better? How can I help them reach all of their dreams? Because the vehicle of their body is strong.
Yes, I love that. I can tell you're passionate. And something that you do is you encourage people to have a partner or a friend come along with them. Why is that so important?
When we talk about exercise adherence, which simply means sticking with it, you have a 50% greater chance of sticking with your workout if you know that someone's waiting for you. Especially as women, sometimes we put ourselves last on the list. But if we know someone is waiting for us, whether it's your best friend, your spouse, your trainer, we'll be there.
And not only are you a fitness instructor and you've been helping so many people, you also are an author. Congratulations. There's 2 books behind you. But today I really want to focus on Total Body Beautiful. Tell me about that.
Thank you so much for the congratulations. I'm very, very happy. I just recently completed or finished Total Body Beautiful with 2 amazing friends. Andrea Orbeck, she's a fantastic personal trainer, and Nicole Stewart, who works with Pilates and the practice of Pilates. And then I've got, goodness gracious, 25 years of yoga and meditation experience.
Right. And
something
so
else, it was really...
I just want to throw this in there. Also, the foreword is by Kate Hudson. That is iconic, and I know you probably don't want to name drop, but I just want our viewers to know Kate Hudson. What's it like working with her? And also, tell me about the book.
So it's really common for the 3 of us to share clients. I don't love the word client because they feel more like friends.
Right.
But we know that we're all experts in our own right. And so if someone needs a little bit more flexibility, Andrea or Nicole might call me, or if I know that they need Pilates, I'll call Nicole, that kind of thing. So when Kate was pregnant with her 3rd baby, Ronnie Rose, they called me, and I love prenatal yoga.